Hi, I'm Elizabeth Barbalich, founder and CEO of Antipodes scientific green beauty brand, standing here in Antipodes headquarters in Wellington, New Zealand, and super excited to introduce you to my brand new formulation I've been working on for 18 months, which is our Culture Probiotic Night Recovery Water Cream. I developed this product for people who have a compromised skin barrier, and that means you may suffer from dry, inflamed and sensitive skin that suffers from breakouts, acne and blemishes, skin that is challenged from hormonal ups and downs, and generally skin that gets tired and stressed throughout the year. It's all about bringing your skin back to good health. The formula itself is certified vegan by the UK Vegetarian Society, and it meets strict criteria in that it's 100% natural, clean ingredients, all healthy for your skin. Now, the three top ingredients in this product are plant-based hyaluronic acid, which holds up to 1,000 times its molecular weight in water. Gives your skin a really nice plumped look and feel. New Zealand Mamaku black fern, which is shown to help cell turnover, and our hero ingredient, Calibiome Age Probiotic. Now, this special patented technology developed in Italy is shown to do three key things. It increases collagen production in the skin in vitro. It also helps stimulate natural hyaluronic in the cells. Plus, it is shown to smooth out and help calm irritation and redness in the skin. This product is unique for its water cream texture, which is absolutely cloud soft when you apply it. It's great for all skin types, including sensitive, and it feels super fresh when you apply it to the skin. Plus, the incredible fresh deep rose scent really helps calm your mind and help you drift off into that sleep that we all want and need. Like any Antipodes product, Culture is completely free of toxins and synthetic ingredients. Now, I've had the luxury of using this formulation for the last 6 months, and I hope you guys can get your hands on it soon. Now, how do we use this product? A small amount on your fingertips. And this product can be put directly onto clean skin. It creates an amazing light barrier, locks in moisture, and helps your skin stimulate collagen overnight. Now, I use it obviously as part of my nighttime ritual. After cleansing, I use grapeseed butter cleanser, which is my favorite cleanser. Then I'll generally apply a mask or a Manuka honey mask, followed by Joyous Serum, which is a light oil. Then I will apply the Culture Probiotic Cream. Nighttime is critical for skin recovery, and it's when DNA damaged skin can be restored and collagen is stimulated. It's also when melatonin in your body is at its peak, and this compound helps to suppress the damage to skin cells from UVA sunlight exposure during the day, and also for wound healing. Everyone wants healthier looking skin, so use Culture to enhance your skin's natural nighttime restoration process and awaken to a calmer, clearer, more hydrated visage. And I'd love to hear what you all think of Culture Probiotic Night Recovery Water Cream. Please review it on our website, antipodesnature.com.